An immaculately maintained 3-bedroom detached home situated within the Blue Ridge community of Pickering. Welcome to 2124 Blue Ridge Crescent. Set back from the street and with no sidewalk on this side, there is ample driveway parking to accompany the single-car garage, and to the covered front entrance is an interlocking walkway with stone and perennial gardens. The front door invites you into a tiled reception foyer, with the tiles continued into the kitchen area and down a short side hall. While throughout the L-shaped entertaining space of the living and dining rooms is gleaming hardwood flooring. These open concept rooms have a neutral color palette suited to any decor, while the dining area's contemporary light fixture, as well as abundant natural lighting through both the west-facing window and sliding door walkout, further enhance their warm and inviting atmosphere. The walkout opens onto a raised deck overlooking the year-round backdrop of an evergreen tree line, and the deck has steps leading down to the backyard and a flagstone patio beneath it. A superb combination of functionality and design, the kitchen is a gorgeous workspace, showcasing beautiful cabinetry finished with contemporary hardware, uppers with crown molding, undermount lighting, as well as impressive storage that includes a huge pantry area and a standalone cabinet with a wine rack. Stainless steel appliances include a side-by-side fridge freezer, oven with gas cooktop, and a built-in dishwasher and microwave. And to complete the space is pot lighting, a stainless steel double undermount sink, a mosaic tiled backsplash, as well as quartz counters with breakfast seating at the peninsula. The side hall off the foyer is where you find a double coat closet with mirrored doors and a powder room. Its vanity, as well as the vanities in the other 2 washrooms, finished with Corian counters and undermount basins. The upper level staircase and the upper landing are finished with high-quality broadloom and underpadding for cozy underfoot comfort, and this level features 3 bedrooms, all with engineered hardwood flooring, as well as 2 washrooms with high-quality vinyl flooring. The second bedroom, which is currently used as an office, features a built-in desk and cabinetry with interior and undermount lighting and can be converted back into a bedroom if needed. And the adjacent third bedroom has a double closet. The common use washroom features a bath and shower area with Corian walls and a therapeutic tub, pot lighting, as well as a space-saving corner vanity with tiered counters and plenty of toiletry storage with both its lower and upper cabinets. The spacious master bedroom has a ceiling fan, as well as 2 double closets, one which is found along a short hall leading to a 2-piece ensuite washroom with a pocket door entry, a built-in vanity, and a separate toiletry cabinet. This home also features an unfinished lower level with a laundry area as well as a walkout onto the backyard's flagstone patio, and has amazing potential for finished recreational and entertaining space. A short walk to Valley Farm Public School, public transit, Major Oaks and Centennial Parks, as well as just being a 5-minute drive to the Smart Center's Pickering Shopping Plaza, the Pickering Town Center Mall, the GO Station, and access to Highway 401 are also minutes away. And this home is also just a short drive to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.